got back from the hardware store where I got 2 new locks with a key this time. What's funny is the lock code is actually exactly the same as the other one. So we're going to see if it's just as easy to pick. But at least I have a key this time. No, let's go this way. Come on now. Make it easy. There we go. Took, I don't know, maybe a minute or two for the first one. Let's see about the second. There we go. That one took a little bit longer, but still able to get it. Awesome. I don't know why, but I just thought, you know what? It's winter time. I currently don't have any like real big projects going on right now, so I'm gonna start working on that. I'm gonna get the engine installed into the frame, and maybe I can get like a roller in a couple weeks, and that way I can just like have it be able to like move around. So I'm gonna work on that. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. I'll see you tomorrow.